Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable Apple ID Disable. If your Apple ID is disabled, it typically means there has been a security concern or a violation of Apple terms of services. Apple may disable an Apple ID to protect the security of the account and the information associated with it. First of all, open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you get into your settings, you may notice that the Apple ID is disabled and you can't touch or open it. After that, scroll down in Settings and look for Screen Time. Then, tap on the Screen Time option from here. Once you get into it, scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, scroll down here and you will find the Account Changes option. So make sure to allow the Account Changes option from here. It will enable you to use your Apple ID. Now get back to Settings and you can see that your Apple ID is available to use. Tap on it. It is completely okay now. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.